Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are talking about useMemo in React. If you have ever felt like your app is doing too much work or running slow, useMemo can help. Don't worry, I'll explain it in the simplest way possible. Let's go. But if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's get started. Imagine this. Okay, imagine this. You have a function in your React app that does some heavy math or calculation every time your component re-renders. That functions run again even nothing has changed. That's waste of time and energy, right? Use memo is like smart assistant. It remembers the result of that function and only recalculate it when something important change. This makes your app faster and more efficient. So let's look at an example. Say you have a list of number. So first of all we have to create a list of number. List equals to, so we have a list of number and calculate it without use memo. Sum equals to list dot reducer total total and number total plus number 0 sum. It return 24. So every time this component re-render, the sum is recalculated even if the number haven't changed. That's not great for performance. Let's fix it with the use memo. Comment all of this. So first of all we have to import use memo in our React app. Let's write the code. Create list first. List equals to 1 2 3 4 5. Const sum equals to use memo. Return list dot reducer total number total plus number 0. It's our dependency array. Recalculate when number change. So h1 sum equals to sum 15. So what we did here, we wrapped the calculation in use memo. The first part in the function that does the math, and the second part is an array of dependency. This is array of dependency. So now the sum will only be recalculated when the number array change. Otherwise React will reuse the old result. When should you use memo? Here's a simple rule. Use it when you have a slow or heavy calculation that doesn't need to run every time. For example, adding up a big list of numbers, filtering or sorting a large array, formatting data, but don't use it for everything. If the calculation is quick, useMemo might just make your code harder to read. So that's example with how you can use memo. That's it. So let's quick recap. Use memo remembers the result of function. It only recalculate when its dependencies change. Use it for heavy calculation to make your app faster. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple React tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.